This is the story of a lone survivor. A weather-beaten figurine that has endured years outdoors. Chipped paint, cracks, and fading colors. The poor fellow has even managed to lose his little nose. Today, Pat's Creations will attempt to bring him back to life. Along the way, we'll uncover the history of figurines, their role in garden decor, and why restoring them is more than repair. It's an art form. We begin with sandpaper. The surface tells the story of years left in the garden, exposed to rain and sun. Each stroke prepares him for a second chance.
Figurines have been part of human life for thousands of years. From Roman villas adorned with stone statues to small ceramic charms placed in medieval gardens, figurines have always brought character to our spaces. What you see on your patio today is part of a very old tradition.
The old paint clings in thick chips. With a small blade, we carefully scrape away what time has loosened. Patience is key in every restoration. Next, we use a simple, everyday tool, a toothbrush, to clear away the sanded particles. Another gentle brush clears away the loosened debris. Slowly, bit by bit, the original surface begins to breathe again.
Most garden figurines are made of ceramic, plaster, or concrete. Over years of sun, wind, and moisture, the surface expands and contracts, causing paint to crack and flake. What looks like damage is simply nature leaving its mark.
A thin layer of paint stripper dissolves the old finish, revealing the figurine's raw surface. This step requires patience, letting the chemicals do their work. Now, we wipe away the dissolved paint. The figurine looks bare. A blank canvas waiting for its new life. A full rinse removes any residue. Clean. Smooth. Ready for repair. Now, we repair the cracked areas. A touch of plaster fills in the broken surface, giving our figurine strength again. the first coat of primer seals the surface, preparing it for color. This is where the transformation truly begins.
By the 19th and 20th centuries, figurines became popular garden decor across Europe and North America. Affordable concrete and ceramic pieces allowed families to bring charm, humor, and whimsy into their outdoor spaces.
Once dry, the plaster is sanded smooth, blending seamlessly into the original form. We start with the base coat. Every restoration begins with the foundation, from which color and detail will emerge. The scarf, a fashionable piece of this little figurine's wardrobe, regains its rich red tone. A vibrant contrast against the pale surface.
Today, figurines aren't just decorations. They're collectibles, family heirlooms, and works of art. From ceramic angels to pop culture icons, figurines continue to bring joy to people of all ages.
A fresh coat restores the hat to its crisp, clean white. Finally, our little figurine's body begins to take on that familiar blue hue. From chipped concrete to vibrant color once more. Once upon a time, there lived a lone survivor, lost, cold, and far, far away from home. His little body beaten and tired, and his once happy spirit broken. And now, finally, our lone survivor is restored. Cracks filled, colors renewed, spirit revived. What was once a weather-beaten garden ornament now shines again as a piece of concrete garden art. And now, after many days of restoration, our little friend finally has a second chance to live his life outside as a garden figurine. Or perhaps he will continue down whatever magical path his journey takes him.